The Apple iPad 10th generation marks a significant leap forward in the evolution of tablet technology, blending power, performance, and portability into a sleek device. With its a 14 bionic chip, 27.69 centimeters, 10.9 liquid retina display, 64 GB storage, Wi-Fi 6 capability, and dual 12 MP cameras, this iPad is designed to cater to both productivity and entertainment needs. This review delves into the features, design, and overall user experience of the 10th generation iPad, providing insights into its value proposition. Design and display. The 10th generation iPad boasts a modern and sophisticated design, aligning with Apple's commitment to elegance and functionality. The device features a 27.69 centimeters, 10.9-inch liquid retina display that brings colors to life with remarkable accuracy and vibrancy. The screen's resolution ensures that text is crisp and images are detailed, enhancing the overall viewing experience for streaming, browsing, and reading. The bezels are slim, maximizing screen real estate without increasing the overall size of the device significantly. This design choice not only contributes to the aesthetic appeal of the iPad but also makes it more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Performance and chipset. At the heart of the 10th generation iPad is the A14 Bionic chip, which provides an exceptional balance of efficiency and power. This chipset enables smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and seamless gameplay, even with graphics-intensive applications. Whether you're using the iPad for work, such as video editing or 3D modeling, or for leisure, like gaming or streaming, the A14 Bionic chip ensures a lag-free and responsive experience. Storage and connectivity. With 64 GB of internal storage, the iPad offers ample space for apps, documents, photos, and videos, catering to the needs of most users. For those requiring more space, cloud storage solutions or higher storage variants are viable options. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 technology is a notable upgrade, providing faster and more reliable internet connectivity. This enhancement is particularly beneficial for streaming high-definition content, video conferencing, and online gaming, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted connection. Camera and security. The 10th generation iPad features a 12-MP front camera and a 12-MP back camera, both capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos. The front camera is optimized for FaceTime calls, offering better low-light performance and a wider field of view, making it ideal for both individual and group video calls. The rear camera, on the other hand, is perfect for scanning documents, capturing moments, and augmented reality (AR) experiences. Security is bolstered by the inclusion of Touch ID integrated into the top button. This feature provides a fast, easy, and secure way to unlock the iPad, authenticate purchases, and sign into apps, ensuring that your data and privacy are protected. Battery life and ecosystem. Battery life is a critical aspect of any portable device, and the 10th generation iPad excels in this area, offering up to 10 hours of web browsing or video playback on a single charge. This longevity ensures that you can get through a full day of work or entertainment without worrying about running out of power. The iPad's value is further enhanced by its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem. Features like handoff, universal clipboard, and sidecar extend the device's functionality, allowing for a more connected and productive experience across all your Apple devices. Conclusion. The Apple iPad 10th generation is a testament to Apple's innovation and commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a tablet can do. With its powerful A14 Bionic chip, stunning liquid retina display, and a host of other features, it offers an unparalleled user experience. Whether for professional use, educational purposes, or entertainment, The iPad caters to a wide range of needs, making it a versatile and valuable device for users of all ages. Its design, performance, and ecosystem integration set it apart from competitors, solidifying its position as a leader in the tablet market. While the price point may be a consideration for some, the value offered by the 10th generation iPad, in terms of its capabilities and the quality of the user experience, makes it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a high-performance tablet.